Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your USDC from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just managing your assets, let's dive in and get you set up quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Uphold and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your USDC balance. This is usually under the Assets or Crypto tab, easy peasy. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Go to the Deposit section for USDC. Bitrue supports various networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDC, so select the one that matches your Uphold setup to avoid any compatibility issues. Copy the deposit address provided. Double-check it because accuracy is key in crypto transfers. Now, back in Uphold, select the USDC you want to transfer. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you're transferring, and choose the correct network. Before you hit Confirm, review everything to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. You'll likely see a confirmation screen with details like fees and estimated arrival time. Blockchain transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion, so be patient. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your Bitrue account to confirm the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check the transaction on a Blockchain Explorer using the Texas ID from Uphold. A quick tip: always be mindful of transaction fees. They can vary based on the network you choose. Also, never share your private keys or wallet details. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer USDC from Uphold to Bitrue. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.